This projector is built to make any workspace or classroom look more professional and efficient. The ViewSonic PS502W is a short-throw WXGA projector with 4,000 lumens, designed for both educational and business settings. It delivers bright, sharp visuals while remaining compact and easy to install, making it ideal for spaces where traditional projectors might not fit. The first thing you notice is its brightness. At 4,000 lumens, this projector can handle rooms with ambient light without losing image clarity. Text on slides, charts, and videos remain crisp, which is essential for classrooms, meeting rooms, or any space where lighting can't always be dimmed. Its short-throw design allows a massive screen from just a few feet away from the wall, which is perfect for smaller spaces. You can easily project a 100-inch image without the need for long cables or complicated placement. Setup is straightforward. Connect via HDMI or USB Type-A, and the projector is ready to go. Minimal adjustments are needed to get a clean, aligned image. The build is professional and understated. It's designed to blend seamlessly into offices and classrooms. Noise levels are low thanks to an effective cooling system, which is important for quiet environments like libraries or study rooms. Performance is where this projector truly stands out. WXGA resolution ensures images are clear enough for detailed slides, charts, and spreadsheets, while colors stay vivid even under fluorescent lighting. Darker areas in videos maintain depth, thanks to a solid contrast ratio, which is a strong point for a projector in this price range. Low input lag is another highlight. This is uncommon in short-throw projectors at this level, making it suitable for interactive lessons, live demos, or even casual gaming when needed. Multiple image modes, including brightest, presentation, and movie, allow users to tailor the visuals to their environment. The projector is built to last with Super Eco Plus mode, extending lamp life up to 20,000 hours, reducing the need for replacements over the years. For institutions and businesses, this translates into long-term cost savings and reliability. Audio is handled by a built-in speaker. While it won't replace a dedicated sound system, it is more than enough for presentations and small room video playback. For larger spaces or higher quality audio needs, external speakers can be easily connected. Connectivity options are versatile. Dual HDMI ports, VGA USB Type-A for powering devices, and RS-232 for system integration make this projector compatible with a variety of devices. IT teams can also benefit from remote management, allowing control over multiple projectors across classrooms or offices, which streamlines deployment and maintenance. Overall, the ViewSonic PS502W delivers reliable, bright, and sharp images, making it a practical solution for classrooms, offices, and training spaces. It's compact, easy to set up, and built to last, providing an efficient and professional projection experience for years. If you need a projector that combines brightness, clarity, and longevity for professional or educational use, the ViewSonic PS502W 4000 lumens WXGA short-throw projector is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to get yours.